Okay, here's some drink that you can have, and this is free as well. So, is this a teppanyaki?
Teppanyaki, Japanese style.
Alright.
Very popular here.
Very good. Alright, we'll get a free drink. So, what type of drink is it again?
This is black tea.
Yep.
And this is we put some vegetable and then make from the materials of vegetable.
I think I'll have the black tea.
And water.
And water, but you can also buy a soft drink as well.
It's 2 o'clock,
Yeah.
not a rush hour, so nobody.
So like the chicken will get cooked now, same with the beef. And just in there there's some spicy stuff as well, rice, tea, and some soup as well. Get back to the cooking now. Yeah, they're very quick. So this is Japanese
是哪个国家？哈，澳洲。不知道。对。没关系，他就再多一年，他就。你在这里吗？
Yeah, I'll be he's actually from Vietnam.
Not like
And he said in 1 year I'll be able to speak fluent. But
Chắc là Japanก่อนนะ
but it's been here 18 years. And that's not alcohol in there, that's just water. That's putting to the tonic bottle.
台南很多东西吃呢。
So is that
So,
finished?
yeah, so you got one meat, so the two come with the two vegetables
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
soup and drink.
Is it? Yep, go on.
Oh, okay. For the one meal, two vegetables
Yeah.
and a drink and soup for two.
Oh, okay. So
She clean the taiwan. She clean the
Yeah.
table. Clean the
Yeah, I know.
table.
Okay.
What? How to say that? I don't know.
alright, well I'm gonna eat this and very good. Hope you like, because I like, and my wife likes. Very good.